practice making a loop, you need to inflate a balloon of any color you like, and you can leave any margin you like. It doesn't really matter. Start by making a bubble. Then make an extra long bubble, which should be as long as the circumference of the loop you want to make. Bigger if you want a big loop, and smaller if you want a small loop. Then simply lock twist the two extremities of the loop together. And by the way, since you know how to curve balloons, you could turn your loop into a very nice round circle. Like that. Now you know how to make a loop with a twisting balloon.